Wagwan, 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 you guys. I know. It's been a while since I've recorded, but I just got back from Jamaica night before last, and I had to work last night, so had a lot of things going on, and definitely a lot of things to inform you guys of. Um, Year 2019, I will be getting married to my fiance, so it's a big year for us, and I'm just really excited. You know, um, as you know, about 7 months ago now, it's almost 8. I fell in love with a wonderful Jamaican guy, and we tell a little bit of our story, acting goofy or whatever. So there will be more videos posted from our Jamaica trip, pictures. And I didn't post them while I was in Jamaica because if you ever been to Jamaica, the reception is bad. It's always a bad connection. So I couldn't really upload like I wanted to, but I did get some video in, and it's raw footage. So, and some of it I was kind of drunk, so you will, it's all over the place. So, just bear with me on the videos, but I had a blast like I always do, and I got to meet my in-laws and spend time with them, and just, man, those people are awesome. You hear me? Like, just observing, my family and future family members, and them taking me in and loving on me and cooking for me because, just it's different. It's a different culture, and I'm just so pleased and blessed to even experience anything of that sort. So I'm excited for this year to come. I'm working like crazy, so don't feel bad if you don't hear from me for a little bit or every day, but I am going to try to make it a little bit more consistency. I know I'm bad at that, but I'm trying, you guys. I'm just really excited. It's your girl Queen Mo, and this is my fat girl shit, and I'm just excited. So the year to come is very promising for me. I'm very excited about everything that's coming forth, and it's going to take a lot of hard work, dedication, prayer, patience, because it is just a process to go through all of what we've been through. And I don't know, I think it just makes us better and stronger as a unit. So I'm excited. This year to come is, I'm just excited, as y'all can see from the smile. I just got off the phone with Babe, FaceTime, of course. And we got a lot of stuff planned, a lot of greatness that we're pushing towards. So stick with me, come along with our journey with us, the process and everything that comes along with it. I have some goofy times. I haven't freestyled in a while, but I still write my poetry. I still freestyle. It's just been a while because I've just been so busy. So if you stay with me, if you hold on just a little while longer, and we'll get all those points. Just finding different things. If you have anything that you want me to talk about in particular, or anything that you're curious about, feel free to leave a comment. Please, positive vibes only. It's about to be a new year, and I'm just in a different headspace. So I'm not trying to have a lot of negativity. If you have negative comments, please leave it to yourself. It's like, We all grown here. If you don't like the channel, please, just go on. There's many other channels and people talking about things and very entertaining. So I hope you like the channel. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, let a friend know. Definitely will be more cannabis and poetry, freestyling, and just vibing live. It won't be today, but definitely stick with us. I don't know. It's gonna be a great journey. So if you come along with it, that's great. If not, that's great. But I'm just letting you guys know this morning that there's definitely more to come. 2019 is definitely our year. I'm so excited about it. There's so much things that's transpiring. So, stick with us. That's all I can say. And stay blessed and just have a good day. Peace. It's your girl, Queen Mo.